Let us speak a little bit about location and direction. We will look at 8 pairs of adverbs that mean the same or more or less the same in English, but have a different function in Norwegian. Let us start with her og hit. Both mean here in English. But when I say her, jeg bor her, jeg jobber her. I'm expressing a location. There is no motion involved. I live here, I work here, I sit here, I study here. No motion involved. Han kommer hit. Kommer, he's coming, he's moving here. So motion goes together with hit. I live here, I work here, he comes here. Jeg bor her, jeg jobber her, han kommer hit. The same thing about der og dit. It means there in English, and we use der when there is no motion. De venter på oss der. They're waiting for us there or over there. Vi drar dit. We're going there. So motion goes together with dit. Hjemme, hjem. At home, home. Vi spiser middag hjemme. We eat dinner at home. Når kommer du hjem? When are you coming home? And pay attention here, there is no preposition in front of hjemme or hjem when they're adverbs. Oppe, opp. Upstairs, up. Vi har en kantine oppe. We have a canteen upstairs. Jeg kommer opp. I'm coming up. Nede, ned. Downstairs, down. De venter på oss nede. They are waiting for us downstairs. Jeg kommer ned. I'm coming down. Ute, ut. Outside and out. Det snør ute. It's snowing outside. Jeg vil ikke gå ut I dag. I don't want to go out today. Inne, inn. Inside, in. Det varmt og godt inne. It's warm and nice inside. Kom inn. Borte, bort. Borte means away, not here. Hvor lenge blir dere borte? How long are you going to stay away? Jeg reiser bort på fredag. I'm traveling away on Friday, literally, or I'm leaving on Friday.